Hello, I'm Jörg, and in this video we'll take a look at the differences between good manufacturing practices and current good manufacturing practices. Here we go. Whether a product is delivered orally, topically, parenterally, or through any other route, quality, safety, and efficacy are always top priorities. Typically, drug developers and manufacturers follow one of the widely recognized standards: good manufacturing practices, commonly known as GMP, or current good manufacturing practices, referred to as cGMP. They sound similar, but they differ in several ways that are important to understand. Good manufacturing practices are established by regulatory authorities like the FDA, EMA, and WHO. They provide a core set of best practices for manufacturing drug products for human use, including appropriate standards for facilities, equipment, cleaning, documentation, and many other key processes. They also give drug manufacturers a certain amount of flexibility in how they adhere to these standards. But while GMP sets essential quality and safety standards, drug development is constantly evolving, and that's why we also have current good manufacturing practices. cGMP requires drug manufacturers to not only meet GMP standards, but to do so using the most modern and up-to-date methods possible. To meet these standards, manufacturers must continuously improve their operations to keep up with advancements in manufacturing science, technology, and regulations. And they must continually monitor the regulatory landscape, update their processes, and invest in the latest technology and training. To understand how this differs from GMP guidelines, here are a few key features that set GMP and cGMP apart. GMP sets core quality guidelines. cGMP requires manufacturers to meet those guidelines using the latest possible methods. GMP sets required quality standards. cGMP requires manufacturers to achieve more enhanced quality levels. And while GMP compliance can be achieved cost efficiently, complying with cGMP often requires additional investments. Even though cGMP guidelines set more rigorous standards, they still offer several advantages. Complying with the more rigorous cGMP guidelines can help companies achieve higher quality outputs with fewer deviations, better prepare for regulatory scrutiny, and demonstrate a stronger commitment to quality. At the same time, cGMP compliance is typically more expensive due to the advanced infrastructure and the required continual improvements. Successfully implementing and maintaining cGMP processes also requires a robust, proactive compliance program. Just the same, striving for cGMP compliance can be a smart long-term strategy. It shows a drug manufacturer is committed to supporting the highest possible quality and reducing regulatory friction, big advantages at many points in the product life cycle. So while GMP provides the foundation, cGMP pushes drug manufacturers to continuously evolve their approaches to quality and safety. Understanding these differences is key when choosing the right quality standards for your product. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. And if you'd like to know more about the topic, check our website. See you next time.